So in this particular deal, they're on track to make $68,665. Hey everybody, Andrew Howie here with Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. Hey, if you found us here on Facebook, found us here on YouTube, do us a favor. If you like the content we're putting out, hit like, hit subscribe. We're really trying to build a community here for investors like you. I've got a fun case study here for you today using what's called the 70% rule. Now that rule is not set in stone. Some people like 65, 75, but this example kind of uses close to that 70%. Actually, it's closer to about 67%. But I used it for a reason, and I'll show you here in a minute. So that 70% rule is correlated with this magic number, the ARV, which is the after repair value. In this particular case, it was $350,000, okay? So that 70% rule lets us loan here at Pine Financial Group 70% of that after repair value. So the loan here, we were able to do $245,000 in this particular case. So if you notice here, the purchase was $160,000. The repairs were $75,000. Now, if you're quick at math, that's actually only $235,000. So there's $10,000 left over there. So what's nice about Pine, not only can we cover your purchase and repair, but depending on the deal, and this is a perfect example of that, we can roll some of the closing costs into that as well, which we were able to do for these folks on this particular one here. In Colorado, we're at 12.9%. So we take that 12.9%, multiply it by 245,000, gives us a total of 36,605. We divide that by 12, gives us 26,3375. That ends up being your monthly payment. Okay, in this particular case, they're on track for a 4-month hold, totals $10,535. Also at Pine here, we charge a 2-point origination fee. So 2 points on this number here ended up being $4,900, and that's rolled into the closing costs here. So I think at the end of the day, they left the closing table only having to pay about $1,000 out of pocket is what I think it was. So they got a house, the repairs, closing costs, all set up for them at closing. So if we finish this math, roughly it's about $800 on the buying side of this. The closing costs, like I said, this kind of encompasses the 2 points. Was $10,500. To sell it, we're saying at about 7%. That covers realtor fees on buy and sell, and 1% for miscellaneous charges and closing costs, for a total of $24,500. So in this particular deal, they're on track to make $68,665 because they really use this 70% rule of how Pine works with their rehab loan. So to recap, if we look at this 70% rule, if we take the purchase and repairs, and that is equal to or less than 70% of the ARV, your deal is going to be in really good shape. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, pinefinancialgroup.com. I'd love to help you out. Thanks so much.